And with Arvind Kejriwal now testing positive, the BJP has lashed out saying that this is because of his irresponsible behavior while campaigning. BJP said that Kejriwal campaigned recklessly without a mask and that he abandoned Delhi for these poll campaigns. The BJP has said that Kejriwal has been infected by COVID because he was irresponsible, and they're saying that he should have been more responsible. This is the statement that's coming from the BJP, who said that the reason Arvind Kejriwal has tested positive is because he wasn't wearing a mask and that he threw caution to the wind during his political campaigns over the last many days in different states. Now, a number of reactions that have been coming in on this front, which have again raised questions about whether political rallies can happen at a time when we're seeing this unprecedented surge of COVID cases and Omicron cases, not just in Delhi, but really across the country. The BJP now stating that Kejriwal has tested positive because he campaigned rather recklessly, rather irresponsibly. Anisha Mathur is joining us with more details on this. Anisha, as expected, there's this all-out political fight that's playing out over Arvind Kejriwal testing positive. The reality, however, is that perhaps every political party is guilty of this.
Well, yes, Akshita, if you look at the last few days of campaigning, absolutely every political party leader has been campaigning without masks and holding public rallies where many people are not wearing masks. But this morning, as Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has tested positive, in a tweet he has said that everyone who's come in contact with him in the last couple of days should also get tested. And of course, the BJP has taken this as up as an excuse to attack Kejriwal for the political campaigning that he has been doing. He was in Dehradun just a day ago. He's been campaigning in Uttarakhand and Uttar Pradesh and in Punjab in the upcoming assembly elections. But if you look at every political party rallies, from the BJP to the Congress to the Aam Aadmi Party to to SP, BSP, every political party has been holding public rallies and meetings even as with COVID numbers are increasing. The Election Commission is looking into this issue of whether there could be something done to regulate political parties and the political rallies. But so far, the Election Commission has only issued directions to all states to ensure that the vaccination process is speeded up and people are following the COVID protocols. But we've seen across parties, across states and across rallies that the COVID protocols are simply being flouted. And this is one of the results.
Is there going to be at least some action taken now that, there's been this case of Arvind Kejriwal, Anisha, testing positive? He was one of those leaders, there's no doubt about it, who was also campaigning without wearing a mask with these massive roadshows and rallies. Considering now that Kejriwal is tested positive, will there be a rethink perhaps by the Election Commission to put tighter norms in place?
Well, this is something that the Election Commission has been looking into for the last several days. Remember, there was a meeting very recently where the Election Commission was considering whether the elections could be postponed or there could be any curbs as far as the election rallies are concerned. But so far, no such decision has been taken. Remember, Akshita, this is not something that has come up just because Arvind Kejriwal has now tested positive. This is an issue that has been under consideration for several days, and political parties have been opposing a ban on rallies, even as they said that we can hold virtual rallies. We don't have an objection if physical rallies are stopped. But if you see in the last 5 days, in fact, even today, there are multiple public meetings and rallies that are scheduled across the country in various states, which are poll-bound, from the Prime Minister's own public meetings to the political public meetings that have been called by various parties in the district.
Okay. Anisha, thank you for those details. I want to take this across to Shehzad Poonawalla of the BJP. He's joining us on this broadcast. Shehzad, good morning. You've taken to Twitter to say that, Kejriwal was recklessly campaigning without wearing a mask, etc. But the question that everyone's asking right now, isn't every political party guilty of this, including your party, the BJP? Top leadership has been seen at many of these kind of rallies, campaigns, roadshows, no mask, no question of social distancing at any of these events.
Madam, first of all, I want to use this opportunity to extend my best wishes and my prayers for the Chief Minister's health. But having said that, in the last entire week, while Delhi was facing a huge spike of corona cases and people in Delhi were suffering because of the kind of ad hoc restrictions that have been put by Delhi Chief Minister, and even while he was advising the people of Delhi what to do, what not to do in terms of COVID protocols, in terms of wearing a mask, Mr. Kejriwal wasn't leading by example, whether it was in Chandigarh, whether it was while campaigning in Punjab, whether it was in campaigning in Lucknow. And this is the reason that we are trying to now ask Mr. Kejriwal that wasn't his actions irresponsible? Shouldn't he have been a little more responsible? Imagine the number of people around him, whether in Chandigarh or yesterday or other places where he was campaigning, where he's been seen so close to people without any COVID protocol being
But that will
followed.
be a question,
And imagine the
Shehzad, that's
number
asked of the
people-
BJP as well, because top leadership of your party also is out there campaigning. Every political party is guilty of this.
Ma'am, there's one thing to campaign with certain amount of COVID protocols being followed, and there's the manner in which the visuals you are showing even on your screen, whether it was the Chandigarh Yatra or whether it was the Yatra that he was doing in Punjab. Those visuals are there for everybody to see. The Chief Minister should have been very, very careful about the manner in which he was mingling with people without a mask, and he did not take adequate precautions, and now a lot of people are going to face trouble because of him. Now, I am only hoping that Mr. Kejriwal will focus on Delhi, because the people of Delhi are asking certain questions about COVID management within Delhi, but Mr. Kejriwal starts ABC, advertising, blaming others, and campaigning in other states. I hope now Mr. Kejriwal will recover fully and will only focus on Delhi rather than wasting all his time and energy in campaigning in other states while leaving Delhi. Bhagwan Bharosa.
Shehzad, in that kind of circumstance, you're saying that there are certain amount of precautions that must be taken. We 100% agree. But the reality is that no political party has been doing this. Even the BJP, I can show you countless instances of massive rallies here in Uttar Pradesh itself, where there's no question of social distancing. The leaders remove their masks amidst these massive road shows. It happened over the weekend as well in Ayodhya. Will there be an assurance from the BJP that the party will not allow this to happen, that your leaders will act responsibly, they'll wear masks, they'll ensure social distancing at campaigns, so that you can, tell Kejriwal that he acted recklessly, because at this point, the BJP cannot afford to preach?
No, the point is that every political party is required to follow the Election Commission's rules and guidelines that they have laid down, the protocols they have been asking all political parties to follow, and the videos and the evidence is clear that Mr. Kejriwal was in flagrant breach of it. And I hope Mr. Kejriwal not only recovers, but now Mr. Kejriwal will focus on Delhi and ensure that the people of Delhi are his priority, because it seems that he doesn't care about Delhi anymore.
Shehzad, you're not answering my question. Will the BJP give an assurance that all leaders of the Bharatiya Janata Party will follow COVID norms at these massive political rallies?
I am telling you as clearly as I can that every political party is mandated to follow whatever norms and guidelines are laid down. There is no question of differing from that. The question is, why was Mr. Kejriwal not following? That's the only question that we need to ask.
Well, again, there are countless instances of the BJP also unfortunately flouting. As I said, every political party right now is guilty of this, including Mr. Kejriwal, the BJP, the Congress, every political party. Shehzad, thank you very much for joining us on this broadcast.